Hi, my name is Dustin Holt. Welcome to an exceptional contemporary home located in Terra Mia, one of Morgan Hill's most desirable neighborhoods. Built in 2017 by Dividend Homes, this home is the impressive combination of an efficiently designed open floor plan, soaring ceilings with an abundance of natural light, a chef's kitchen, and an expansive primary suite that is your own personal sanctuary. Come on inside and let's take a tour. One of the most striking features of this home is the grand entry with its high ceilings and the natural light that streams down to greet visitors. Welcome to the well-appointed chef's kitchen, the perfect place to create culinary masterpieces, host gatherings, and spend quality time with your family. This fantastic space features well-chosen granite countertops, a subway tile backsplash, gleaming stainless steel appliances, a gas cooktop, and upgraded white cabinets with under-cabinet lighting. The oversized kitchen island has the same beautiful countertops that grace the rest of the kitchen. With dual sinks and an integrated dishwasher, it adds versatility and efficiency to your culinary endeavors. Its central location and under-counter seating makes it the place where guests will gather. The kitchen flows seamlessly into the dining room with an elegant chandelier and views of the backyard and its mature trees. A spacious living room with a gas fireplace, in-ceiling surround sound wiring, and the same French oak style flooring that flows through the rest of the downstairs. Up the grand staircase is the main living area and its 4 bedrooms. Start and end every day in your own private oasis. The expansive primary suite provides owners a luxurious experience and includes a beautiful ceiling fan, a large living area, and a primary bathroom with multiple custom features. Amazing contemporary countertops with a decorative liner, dual sinks and mirrors, ample cabinet space and storage, a large stall shower with a bench seat and frameless shower door, and a generous walk-in closet, providing ample storage space for clothing, shoes, and accessories. There are 3 additional upstairs bedrooms, and they have the same new carpet that was recently installed through the 2nd story. This turnkey home has new interior paint and upstairs carpet that were both completed in March of 2024. Other amenities include plantation shutters, recessed lighting, crown molding, and a host of incredible features. Located conveniently between the bedrooms is a separate laundry room with ample storage. There's also a hall bathroom with dual sinks, a tub, and shower. Enjoy California outdoor living with an expansive backyard featuring 3 separate patios, a magnificent pergola, and multiple mature trees and plants. Terra Mia is part of the Mission Ranch neighborhood built by Dividend Homes and is located in the prestigious Golden Triangle. The community is known for its well-built luxury homes and wide tree-lined streets and the 3 parks that residents can enjoy. There are a host of activities for residents, including 2 tennis courts and a basketball court, a large central park with a huge grass area, play structures for kids, swing sets, and the famous Engine Number 9. There is even a separate park off of Bautista Circle with benches and a play area for kids that's adjacent to a walking trail. There are so many things to do in this neighborhood. Thank you for joining me on the tour of this magnificent home. If you have any questions or would like an in-person tour, please give me a call.